This 2017 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 289 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Starcraft is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 10 LP detector, leveling jacks, stove-top burner, CO detector, refrigerator, DVD player, microwave, air conditioning, water heater, external shower, and 63 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 289 BHS is 6,521 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.